Hello students, so today we'll continue lesson 9 Microsoft Word 2010 part 2. So in the last class we studied about the bold button, italic and underline button. Now today we'll study about the format painter tool. So this format painter tool is used to copy the formatting effects of a piece of text to another selection. So select the formatted text that you want to copy, click on the format painter button in the clipboard group. On the home tab you will find and the pointer changes into a brush shape. Now drag the brush on the desired text to apply the copied format, and you'll observe that the formatting attributes of the previous text will be applied to the selected text. Now see how it can be done. This means as we are copying a text from one page of the document and we want to paste it on the other. Similarly, we can copy the formatting style of from one document and we can paste it on the other document or on the same document. Let me show you while doing. Now see, this is the one, this style, that the line should be in the red color and the underline should be in the dotted style blue color. So first let me select this line. So I have selected this line and I want to copy this style, and the same style I want to apply on some other paragraph. So I will click on this. See, under the home tab in the clipboard group you will find the format painter button. So yes, when I click on the format painter button, now the pointer will be changed into the crosshair. When I bring it here, you see. So after pressing the left mouse button key, I have to select the text. Now see, it appears in the brush tool, brush shape. Now suppose the same I will wants to apply in this the same effect. So what I will do, just by pressing the left mouse button key, I will drag it on those areas. Now if I leave it, see, its style is already changed. Now its color, you see the red color and the underline it becomes. So what I have done, I have copied the format style of this first line and I had applied the same style on the this third paragraph. That is done with the help of the format painter tool, that we can do it. Similarly, I have copied only. Now I want to apply here again. First we have to copy this one time we have done. Now suppose this formatting features I want to, this style I want to apply. I will go there, click on the format painter button. Now it becomes in the, see, the shape is converted into the brush shape, brush tool. Now I will drag it. See, entire this paragraph I want to make that effect. I selected this one. Now I will release it. You will find, see, in the same style. That is done. Okay. Now we move to the next. Now copy. Now see the paragraph formatting. How we format the paragraph. This paragraph formatting is the most important factor in the overall appearance of a document. So from text alignment to tab stop, how we align the text, how to stop the tab, and paragraph indentation to line spacing and paragraph spacing, applying borders to the shading effects, and paragraph formatting contributes the most to the final appearance of the document. So see how we set the margin, how we set the indent. So before that we'll study about what the margin is. So what is the margin? The distance between the written text and the edge of the paper. Here the text which is written and this is the edge of the paper. So this distance between the edge of the paper and the written text is called the margin. So the distance between the written text and the edge of the paper is called margin. So whatever you type or paste in a document is adjusted within the margins. As you can see, this is the margin. This is left margin, this is the right margin, this is the top, and that is the bottom margin. So the four double-headed arrow are denoting the four margins. Top margin, distance between the text and the top edge of the page. This is the top edge of the page. This is the text. Bottom margin, distance between the text and the bottom edge of the page. This is the bottom margin, bottom edge of the page and the text. Left margin, distance between the text and the left edge of the page. Right margin, distance between the text and the right edge of the page. Okay. So whenever you type or paste in a document is adjusted within the margins of that page. So the ruler bars also display the position of the margins. Therefore margins are important elements of a document as they set the boundaries of a page. Now, shortcut key for the bold is Control B, italic for Control I, underline for Control U, subscript for Control equals to superscript Control plus Shift plus plus. Now, what is the gutter margin? As you can see here also. So this gutter margin is the extra space inside the margins to provide the scope for binding. So if you want to take the printout or at one page, you want to take the printout of two pages in the landscape mode. So you can fold this space along this area. So we leave the gutter margin for folding and for binding. So the mirror margins are set on facing pages. As you see, this margin is the left margin. So this page when you fold it, so this will become the, here if you see, this will become the left margin and this is the right margin. So how it will be converted? This is the face. Mirror margins are means sideway reverse. So this left will become the right of this and this right will become the left of this. So as the name implies, mirror margins are used for double-sided documents, similar to those found in a book or a magazine with the mirror margins. The inside margins are of the same width. Inside margins are of the same width. See inside. Margins are of the same width. And the outside margins are also of the same width. It means that margins of the left page are the mirror image of those of the right page. So margin of the left page are the mirror image of the right page. Yes, this is the left page, this is the right page, and this are the mirror image. So the mirror image you will find of this same, and of this you will be the same. This is the mirror image. So here you can see know the margins practically. So the distance shows the left margin. As you can see the ruler double-headed arrow, this shows the margin area. That is the distance between the text and the left edge of the page. The distance between the bottom margin is shown with the vertical ruler. You will find the distance shows the right margin. This is the on the horizontal ruler. This distance, see the double-headed arrow from the right margin. Now the text alignment. So the text alignment refers to the position of. So let me show the margin on the page. Microsoft Word. Let me open the Microsoft Word. So now see in this page layout we'll find the margins. These are the margins, and here you can see this is the margin area. Here I cannot write. That is the margin area. This is that I can. This is see the margin area that I can reduce it and that I can increase it also. Both the things. If I reduce it, see the text will shift. If I'll undo the operation, it will go the same position. Okay, this is the margin, and this is the left margin. Similarly, this is the right margin. As you can see, if I scroll the page, I will show you. This is the top margin. So I can show you here. This is the margin that I can increase it also and decrease it also. Okay, like this. This is the bottom margin that we can read from the top margin also. You can see this is the top margin which is left. That also I can increase it or decrease it. See, the text will appear top. This is the top margin. So this is called the horizontal ruler and this is called the vertical ruler, and these are the tab selector. So here you click, this is the left tab, one to and this is the center tab. One time more I will click, see this is the right tab. One time more I will click, this is the decimal tab, and one time more I will click, this is the bar tab to draw a vertical line. Okay. So this is the first line indent. Again I will click, I will get the see hanging indent. This is called the hanging indent. One time more I have clicked, this is the left tab. Okay. So this is the tab selector. From here you can select the tab. This is called the tab selector. So now we'll move to the PDF. So text alignment. So text alignment refers to the positioning of the text between the margins of a page You should set the alignment text before you begin the typing. You can also select an entire document and then change the alignment of the text. So there are two categories of the text alignment. One is the horizontal text alignment, other is the vertical text alignment. So let me show what is the horizontal text and what is the vertical text alignment. Again here. So this text alignment. So we have to first select the text and which alignment you want to bring it so that you can do it. That is the horizontal text alignment. So see the home tab, you'll find this is the alignment of the text. This see in the paragraph group you'll find align text left, align text right. So suppose I have selected this paragraph, and this paragraph I want to do the left alignment. See what the change will be there. It is left only. From left margin we see that space is same. Now I want to make it the center. See, from left right the distance is space is same, indent is same. So what is the indent? Indent is the space between the text. See, this is the text, and the space between the text and the margin boundary, that is called the indent. So let me do the undo operation. Now you see this the right alignment, how it will appear. From the right the margin or indent is same from the margin boundary, and see the justify in this format. It will come justify. If again you click on the justify, like this it will appear. Again you will get the same. And the vertical alignment, see the space between the lines, that is the vertical alignment. You can set line and paragraph spacing. So this is all for the today students. In the next class we'll discuss about the remaining topics. So thank you for your kind attention.